Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be doing a drive belt change for a MAG-8200. So to start, you'll want to be on the, you could say, the left-hand blade approach side of the sharpener. This cavity here is where the drive pulleys are and where the belt is located. So we'll start off by, you can either use a 5/16 wrench or driver, and we'll take this guard off. Now, while you have enough room and you could get into here, it's a little easier if you also take the active guard off as well, which is a spring-loaded guard that moves with the adjustment of the machine. And you can see here, now we have the whole drive system exposed. And of course, just to again double check, we do have the machine unplugged. Always unplug equipment before you service it. Again, here are all the electrical components. They're separated off into this little box. And here's the drive belt. We have a tensioner pulley here, and it's spring loaded, so it's very simple to just push with a little bit here and turn the belt, and you can just walk the belt right off. So it's pretty simple. And so there we have the belt out. Now to install the new belt. First, start at the small pulley up top here, because that one has a little bit tighter fit. Try to be on all the splines. If you're not, it's okay. Then sneak the belt underneath the idler pulley. And it doesn't have to be all the way over on the splines. You can be on the smooth part to start, because then we can use the belt to help us compress those springs and get started on the motor pulley. And then we can walk the belt over to the splines. So first I like to get the grinding wheel pulley, get all its splines in line, or all the ribs onto the splines, I should say. Then you can walk the idler pulley over. And then lastly, the motor pulley. We'll get those, make sure they're all in, each rib is in the spline of the Poly V belt. And there we've got that all set up. Now we can put the pulley cover back on. And we just double check, look down all the splines, everything is in line. And we can close up the pulley covers. And make sure not to pinch any wires, that they're all in their electrical box there when you put the large cover back on. And of course, just like all parts for Magna-Matic products, you can get them all at Magna-Matic.com. So if you're looking for belts or any other consumables, grinding wheels, so on and so forth. All right, we're all closed up now. So let's quick plug her in and give it a test. The unit is off. And we're back up and running. I hope that was a helpful installation video. And certainly, as always, if you have any questions, give us a call or visit Magna-Matic.com. Thanks for watching.